Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when the UC browser is not playing video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the UC browser. And what you want to do is, you can see if I look at the top right hand corner, it says VPN. Okay, you actually want to make sure that your VPN is switched off if you are struggling to play video. So click on the VPN button and then just stop that if it is running. And then what you can do is you can go into the three dots in the middle there. Then you go to the settings gear cog at the bottom left. And then what you want to do is go to browsing settings. And what you want to do, it says image quality. If it's on high, you can set it to medium or low. Okay, and that could fix your problem. And then what you can do is, it could be just a bug within your app. So what you want to do is go out of the UC browser app, go into the settings of your phone. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find apps, and then tap onto apps. And then I'm just going to search for the UC browser and then tap on it. And then what you want to do is scroll down to storage, tap onto storage, and there you'll see the option clear cache. Okay, clear the cache. Then what you want to do is go out of the settings, open up the UC browser again, see if you can play a video. If it's still not working, go back into the settings and clear the data too. Okay, and another thing you can do is scroll down to your control panel, hit the power button and restart your device just to make sure everything's working properly. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.